Good afternoon, everybody. We are back Monday afternoon. The stock market is down, but we are still here. I'm telling you, I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't know how long these declines are going to last, but I do know we have people in the chat. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Outdoor Smile. Appreciate that. First in the chat and super sticker first. I love it. Whoops, first finally. John, I don't know. I see Outdoor Smiles. Super sticker there first. Paul, John, Outdoor Smile. Paul, Outdoor Smile. Jim from Wales Clay. Taking a slating on Lotus Army about an hour ago. Jim, it's crazy, man. John, Paul, Outdoor Smile, Kalani, Justin, Kalani, Outdoor Smile, Justin Johnson, Paul, Kalani, Outdoor Smile, Justin, Shiba, Paul, Jim, Justin, Kalani, Pika Power, Paul, Kalani, Pika, Retracted, and Shredder. What's going up, guys? Let's see what we got going on in the market right now. We've got the NASDAQ continuing lower, 3.27% decline on the day. Not a very good day at all for the major indices. They are deep in the red, and we got a sign of slowing down maybe here if we lose another 300 points on the NASDAQ. We've got Shiba Inu coin bouncing back slightly, sitting at 22.60 right now after bouncing off 22.21. GameStop seems to be turning the corner a little bit, still down 11% on the day. Was down all the way down here. My gosh, what is that, another 3%? Was down at 96.10, bouncing back to 99.10. We got Prog sitting at $1.13 right now, down 5%. Man, we've got Farmy sitting at $15.70 right now. AMC sitting at $15.16. Very difficult day. As you can see, AMC really following the NASDAQ, bouncing back down. Potentially going to hit these lows around $15 per share. Hopefully we bounce off that level, $14.50, $15 a share, exactly like JB was saying. And then we need someone to come in here. I had to add some green to the watch list up here, guys. CEI, Mullen Auto, and Bed Bath & Beyond. Pretty big winners on the day. I had to add these in there. Otherwise, it's just going to be nothing but red. Bad news. Pika Power, what's going on? Glad to have you in here. I haven't forgot our deal. I'm becoming a member today. Justin Johnson, nice, man. Trying to grab that crown from Pika, I'd imagine. That's what he's got going on. We've got so little people in the chat right now that we've even got the robots out there ranking in the chat. So let's talk to the robots. Robertson Sherry, glad to have you in here, robot. Imagine not too many people are going to be coming in today. Not exactly sure. It is a red day, though, guys. Very disappointing and very discouraging to see the types of losses that we're experiencing today. NASDAQ getting hit very hard. The good news is that if we bounce off support, at least we're going to have a little bit of, what's the best? Relief is probably the best way to put it. If we bounce off support, which we may have a little ways to go before we get there, but if we bounce off support, we will get a much-needed relief from the decline in the indexes, in AMC, Prog, Farmy, GameStop, Sundial, all of these stocks that we watch that are really closely following the NASDAQ. As you can see, I mean, we got a dip down here and a dip back down here. Go back out to the NASDAQ. Very, very similar price action. AMC, very similar price action. So we need a recovery in the overall market if we expect a recovery in these individual stocks that we're investing in. So I cut it last week. I asked what stocks are important these days. CI, Mon, Wheat, Prog. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Printing. Yeah, Prog's not printing today. But, yeah, these energy stocks definitely doing very well because of the tensions between Russia and the Ukraine and potentially interrupting the energy markets that are out there. It's pretty good if you guys are in those. I do not own any CEI, Mon, or Bed Bath & Beyond. But I know who was it? Was it Mitch or who got into CEI last week? Got to be doing pretty good on that today. Or not CEI, Mon. I'm pretty sure Crypto Racketeers got CEI. So we got some people in here that are doing pretty good on those plays. And hopefully they sustain those gains. Hey, Justin, sounds great. If you get that green name, I'll make you king tomorrow. There you go, Pika Power. What's up, Clay, bro? Tough day today, huh? Oh, 504 fresh. Yeah, man, today's a tough day for the market. Really getting just blasted today. NASDAQ down 3%. S&P 500, where is that at? S&P 500 was down about 2.5%. Yeah, SPY going down nearly 3% today. So, very tough day for the market, man. We've got the SPY sitting at 420.20. and NASDAQ was sitting at like 12,800 points, something. Very difficult day overall. We know it's related to all of the tensions that are going on in Russia right now, and people are not liking the uncertainty in what the future holds for the market. See it happen, Justin Johnson. Let's see it click. Kalani is right. Justin Johnson, I would have it today. But I crowned AMC Trapper King this morning. AMC Trapper, king of the chat, I like it. AMC Trapper deserves a king. Guys, I used my first trailing stop today and it went very well. Highly advise people to try them. It's much easier to sell. Oh, and you set it and don't watch. Made 20% on Mon and then got a bottom of Prague. Nice. Yeah, guys, if you don't know what a trailing stop is, a trailing stop basically follows the stock price higher, and then as it retreats, if it's a 20% trailing stop, it's going to follow that. So if your position goes up 20%, your stop loss is going to be a break even. If it goes up 30%, it's got that 20% trail, so it can pull back 20% from its high point until your stop loss is activated. So definitely a use if you guys are out there trading and want to take advantage of a stop loss without having to worry. Should I cover? Should I sell? Should I get out? Should I do this now? Is tomorrow going to be a bounce? If you're going to be a trader, you got to be disciplined and you got to stick to your plan. So very nice, Devil's Advocate, making 20%. I love it, dude. Kalani, new pick. It does look like a new picture for Kalani. It does. Very small, though. Very red and small, so I can't really tell what it is. I love being in the red. Vengeance! Being in the red, man, is very difficult, but it will make you stronger. It's almost guaranteed to make you stronger, man. I'll pick apart Kalani, Nate, besides supporting a bro. Do you get anything, like a Discord or anything like that? No, Justin, you get that icon and the emojis and things like that, but I don't have any Discords. I don't have any exclusive content, exclusive access, early releases, at least as of right now, man. At least as of right now. I do think that some of the members are going to be coming up on a year here pretty soon. So I do think the members that are here for a while are going to end up getting a free t-shirt or something. But as far as like Discords, man, I don't have any of those at the moment. Justin, I don't know. I'm here to support the bros. And I'm here every day anyways. Yeah, Kalani. So, and it is much easier to see your names. Like right now, guys, it's not difficult at all. There's 21 people in here. It's not difficult at all to read every single comment that's coming through. But when there's days where there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 people in here and everybody's chatting, it's much easier to read the blue and the green names than it is the gray names too. No volume, Ronald, like on your phone or no volume in the stock? Which one are you referring to, man? Red day, yes, red day. I did not see what Pika said before that. It's good news and gets pushed down. Crypto Rocketeer. Good news for what? What was being real? Are you talking Batman on AMC? Are you talking something on CEI? What are we talking about? Can't hear you. Ronald, I think that might be you, man, because I see the volume working good here, but I don't know if it's on you or not. Everybody else hear me just fine? Jonathan, you can have a free shirt, man. Jonathan, hit me up in my DMs. You can get a free shirt for sure. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Please do that, AMC. Yes. Yeah. Crypto Rocketeer. I'm telling you, man. It's the overall market right now. It's the overall market. I understand that these stocks are running. Bed Bath & Beyond had some crazy news this morning with Ryan Cohen and Mullen clearly doing very well because it's getting a lot of attention from being beaten down in price from $15 to 50 cents. But CEI, CEI is running with all of the energy stocks right now. But it's just ridiculous to watch AMC get just brutalized as the overall market. I mean, you're sitting down 3.5% on the NASDAQ. It is not normal for an index to drop 3% in a single day. This is a very, very drastic decline. I mean, potentially one of the biggest declines that we've seen in a long time. I mean, you could see these candles here. Index candles are typically very small. And yeah, we had a pretty big day here. Lost 2.78%. 2.28%, 3.34%, 2.51, 2.57. I mean, this is one of the biggest declines we've had. You'd probably have to go back to 2020 before you see a decline like that. 2.70, I would imagine you would. Okay. September of 2020, 5% decline. 4% decline. 4.96% decline is the biggest I can see in quite some time. So, NASDAQ really, really getting hit hard today. Very tough day. Man, it's a bad day when you got to go back almost 2 years before you can see a similar decline in the overall market. And shoot, we still have 4 minutes left in the day. We could drop off even more here. But we'll watch it play out, and then tomorrow going to be a brand new day, guys. Tomorrow's going to be a brand new day. Justin Johnson, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. You guys know what we need to see right now. We got 24 people in the chat. We need to see we got 28 people in the chat now. We need to see 28 welcome Justin Johnsons. Please, I know that there are typically more people in here. Please do not let it go, I guess, to waste that Justin's got that bro welcome. Everybody tell Justin welcome, and thank you very much, Justin, for grabbing that green name. Absolutely appreciate you, man, and welcome to the bros. Honey, these images are really small for the pictures. I got Claybro shirts on sale today, only $7.99. No large. Yeah, there's never any larges. There's never any larges, Paul. I don't know what to tell you about that. Mic is too far from the mic is too. Oh, well, let's bring it over here. The mic is pretty far from the Claybro. What about now? Is it better now? Hopefully, it's a little bit better now because we're good. Yes, Jonathan says welcome. Crypto Racketeer Lewis says welcome. John Maxwell says welcome. Ronald saying welcome. Frodo saying welcome. Pika saying welcome. You guys are absolutely amazing. Cork Meth, welcome. Chevy Silver Raider, thank you very much for saying welcome. Oh, Justin. Shredda, thank you for saying welcome, man. Everybody saying welcome to Justin for grabbing that green name. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We've got 3 minutes left in the day. Hopefully, it's a good 3 minutes. So glad you joined, Justin. I'm glad you're a true bro. Oh, yes. I love all of the green names out there, man. You guys are amazing. Heck yeah. Welcome, Justin. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome, Justin. Guys, I got to crack this door a little bit. It's really warm in here. My gosh, it's warm in here. Thought I was going to pass out for a second there. Needed to open that door, but we're back now. Cassie, thank you very much for saying welcome. You guys are awesome. That was like, go on the entrees. Smalls are overflowing from. Yeah, dude, smalls and mediums. We've definitely got a stock left for smalls and mediums, man. If you guys want one of those, I've got one of those. Always hit the like button, bro. Boom! Ronald, thank you for always clicking that like button. 30 people in here. I would imagine 30 really, really, really cool people in here. So there's got to be 30 likes on the live stream right now. Is that correct? Let's find out. 16! Only half of you guys clicked that like button. Don't be afraid to click that like button. Let's go back over here to the market and see what we got going on. It is 2 minutes to the close. The NASDAQ is sitting down 3.43% right now, trying to get a green candle in at the end of the day. Shiba Inu coins sitting down almost 4%, 22.63. GameStop trying to break back up above 100. Doesn't seem like it's going to make it. Down 11% on the day. Prague having a very difficult day, sitting at $1.12. And Farmy sitting at 15.46 right now. Wow, look at that 1 minute candle dropping on Farmy all the way down to 14.72. Absolutely brutal. We've got Sundial down 5.60%, sitting at 47 cents right now. CEI, Mullen, and Bed Bath & Beyond all doing very well, up 63, 33, and 35% respectively. Incredible gains on those three stocks today. Had to put them up at the top of the board because otherwise it was just a bloodbath. AMC bouncing back from that low right there. It dipped to $14.90, man. Got 5 nice green candles coming off that. Hopefully it finishes with a green candle here and somewhere in the $15 range. No, doesn't look like we got too much volatility coming here in the last minute of the day. But AMC seemingly closed at $15 while the computer ticked over to 4 o'clock. I don't know if it's actually 4 o'clock yet or not. But seems like AMC is going to close at $15.20 today. 15.21, 15.20, 15.21. Hopefully we got some strength in there. Number 16 in here, Lewis. Very nice. Thank you for being number 16th like. Appreciate you. Always click the like button, Clay. Always, Frodo. Love it, man. I love it. Frodo's always in here. Frodo's always clicking that like button. I sometimes hit it. So far I haven't. I'm going to make Clay work for it. Perhaps later. Perhaps dislike later. Who knows? Well, as long as you're engaging in some way, Devil's Advocate, absolutely appreciate all of the engagement, guys. Justin, you be king tomorrow. I'm really happy I helped you make that great decision. Me too, Peak of Power. Me too. And I am glad Justin got that green name, man. Clay, if you guess correctly, I'll like Prague over under $5 at the close. Under! Did I guess correctly? Was I supposed to guess the actual close or what I wanted it to close at? Because I want it to be over, but it closed under. Dang it, I know that was a close one. I probably guessed incorrectly. Jonathan, close enough? I'll take it. Me too. What did Jonathan say? Over. Darn it. I wanted to close over too. Are you into dividend stocks? So Chevy, no, I don't have a huge focus on dividends. Right now, I got a lot going on with AMC, Prague, Farmy, and I got some MMAT too. Also Ford. So I don't have a ton of focus on dividends at the moment. I think the capital gains, especially from where we are right now after this dip, I think the capital gains are really going to outpace the dividends over both the short term and the long term. But I tend to focus on dividends, at least at this point, as being like icing on the cake, man. I would rather look at a stock it has a lot of potential for capital gains as opposed to just paying that dividend. Even if you get a stock like AT&T or something that pays an 8+% dividend, I mean that's great, but an 8% gain can come tomorrow on literally any of these stocks if they just return to where they were yesterday on Friday. So the capital gains right now, because of the market volatility, I think are going to be much more lucrative than dividends are. BBIG will see 5 again this year. Vengeance. I hope it does. BBIG sitting what at $2? BBIG around $2. Yeah, $2.20 today. After a 6.78% decline, $2.20. Dude, if BBIG sees $5 again, everybody that's in BBIG is going to double their money. It's going to be excellent. I'm long on BBIG and AMC Squaw. AMC Squaw, whatever Squaw is. I'm not long on BBIG. I am long on AMC. Pick up, I've been catching the live stream for a while. Although my new job opportunity didn't pan out, I thought I'd become a bro anyways. Justin Johnson, thank you very much, man. Absolutely. I do appreciate all the green names in here. Clay doesn't buy dividends because the root word is divide. When you divide, the number gets smaller and his portfolio doesn't ever do anything but grow, baby. Bro science investing. Boom, we got to get that growth out there. Forget about the division. We want the growth. Dude, my portfolio's been doing nothing but going down since like October, November, man. It's been bad. The overall market is getting trashed right now. We need some green days. Forget about all these red days. Another turning point, fork stuck in the road. Life grabs you by the hand, man, you went, yeah, we need some green day in here. Wake me up when this downtrend ends. Please, somebody wake me up when this downtrend ends. Channel your inner green day, please. Think about it. Yes, you did, and thank you. But the crown guarantee rubbed me the wrong way. Oh, man. I don't even know what we're talking about there. Let's see. I remember the loud chat back in June, like 38 streaming. Good old days. Yeah. Terrell, man. Definitely a difference from what we got going on back when Shiba was running, back when AMC was running. The thing with 50 people sitting in here right now, listen, I would want as many people as possible. I will say that. But the 50 people in here right now, as the stock market is just getting, brutality, Mortal Kombat style, it is obvious that you guys are the ones that are going to stick it out through the downturns, through the bear markets, the ones that are going to be reaping all of the rewards as the stock market goes back up. And honestly, I mean, there is a mental toughness. Even though we mess around and have a good time in here, there's a mental toughness to be able to hang out as the brutality is unfolding on the market like this. And there's a lot of other people out there, everybody that might have been here back in June and so on, that got out, is no longer buying. They're not dollar cost averaging down. They're sitting on the sidelines now. They're fed up. They gave up. They quit. They're not going to they're not going to reap the rewards of riding it back up. They're the ones that are going to get excited again when all of these stocks are hitting all-time highs, and then they're going to try and get back in. And although, that's fine, they may have held on to some of their cash throughout the downturn, but they're not going to see it grow as it goes back up. So I'm glad everybody's in here. Clint, where do you feel is right amount of Shiba just to hold on to for the long term? Sorry to ask, just new to the crypto market. So Ronnie, it's completely subjective. Okay, I don't know if there's a right answer on the right amount of Shiba Inu coin to hold. You got to look at a lot of different things. Like, what are your goals? Do you want $1 million? Do you want 10,000? Do you want 100,000? And you got to maintain a sense of realism. So if you're looking for Shiba Inu coin to go to a penny and you want $1 million, you need 100 million Shiba Inu coin. It's not a ton at the current prices. Current prices, you're spending $2,200. And if you believe it's going to go to a penny longer term, dude, turn $2,200 into $1 million. Please do that. That would be incredible. If you think it's only going to go to a tenth of a penny, you're going to need at least $22,000. You're going to need 1 billion Shiba Inu coin to get $1 million. Dude, if you only want 100,000, that tenth of a penny on 100 million Shiba Inu is going to get you the $100,000. If you can only go out there and buy 20 million Shiba and you still believe that it's going to go to a penny or whatever, you got to do the calculations that way and see what is best for you and what you're comfortable holding. Because long-term holds are difficult, man. You got to hold through downturns like this. You got to hold through periods of stagnation. You got to hold when it seems like it's going to do nothing but go down. You still have to be willing to hold that if you're a long-term investor. Portfolio acting like my ex-girlfriend, going down nonstop on everyone. Literally everyone. Girl, the crazy fetish is dressing up like herself and cheating on me every weekend. Oh, devil's advocate. Terrible, man. Portfolios are going down on everybody right now, though. It's a pretty good analogy. I like it. I like it, man. But I don't like the fact that it's going down on everybody right now. I want it to go up on everybody. I hate it when you rub it the wrong way. Me too, transparent trading. Everybody hates it when you rub it the wrong way. You got to rub it the right. Never mind. Disney copyrights, we start buffering. Oh, no. Oh, what did I say? What did I say on Disney? Now I don't even know what the Disney thing that I did was. Good Riddance by Green Day. A beautiful, but also a very sad song. Yes, it is, Kalani. Yes, it is. Could you ever buy into stealth launch crypto like small market cap coins? So, Justin, I've bought into a few small market cap coins. I bought some Captain Shibero. I bought some other ones, and they've done nothing but go down over the last couple of months too. But, dude, everything in crypto is going down right now. So, I still have them. Clearly lost money on them. Like, literally everything's losing money right now. But, yeah, I do have some small cap coins. MetaPets is another one. Yoshi is another one. Wall Street Games, another one. I do have, I got several. Mini Worlds, another one. I haven't seen Esau Wu in here in a while, but that's another one I hold. Part 1, once I realized a few days ago that we could be the pioneers of the crypto age and profit when everyone else is catching up. Little nervous, because that's the old saying, pioneers perish while settlers flourish. Yeah, Chris, I meant to say in the first place, once I realized that, I'm excited to learn about crypto. Yeah, here's the difficult part about that. And I do think that, we might be a little beyond the pioneer stage. I think some of these guys that might have been getting in like 2010, 11, 12, they're the true first pioneers, right? They're the ones that are out there and really going through uncharted territory and simply mining these coins because you literally couldn't buy them anywhere. So since then, all of these exchanges have popped up, and the crypto is much more accessible. But you're right, dude. There's still a lot of regulation, and we're not in the clear yet because it's a highly unregulated area, and in that regard, it's still in its very early stages. So you are right, man. There's a lot of room for growth. If you look at the crypto market and the fact that it only has a $2 trillion valuation, now that is up, I think, 12-fold. Since the end or the beginning of 2021 or something like that, it's up like 12-fold from where it was before. So it's clearly, or maybe 2020, it's clearly done very well over the last year or so, maybe 2 years, but it could grow so much more. But you can lose a lot of money too. That's the risk to reward ratio you've got when something is so new and still developing. Let's see here. Rub the right way. We need to be waxing, and all the market is doing is waiting. We need to be doing so much better than we are right now. Devil's advocate. Puts on Coca-Cola. They're still doing business in Russia. Oh, well, Shredder. I actually do own some Coke. Should I sell my Coke too? Was that correct? I haven't heard of the moon phases since like 7th grade, so 2019. With waning? I don't know if that was correct. I don't know too much about moon phases, actually. Are the Russian sanctions going to cause AMC to squeeze? 1-2-5-6-8-4-8-8. No, I don't think that the Russian sanctions are going to cause AMC to squeeze. What would be the benefit of the Russian sanctions and AMC squeezing? Are you talking like, sanctions making institutions and hedge funds potentially lose money, therefore they're more likely to get margin called? Is that the direction you're going with that, or are you trying to say something else with it? Let's see. Clipper, ever watch that movie Gaming Wall Street on HBO Max? It breaks down the squeeze on GME, but also pertains to AMC, etc. A pretty informative movie if you haven't seen it. So no, Flaw, I have not seen that. Somebody was actually talking about that this morning, and I have not seen that. I do not have HBO Max, but I forget who that was, dude. They said it was really good too. I mean, that wasn't you, was it? They said that? Knock my hopes down, Clay. But keeping me honest, I'm just kidding. I said Pioneer Age, and someone said, yeah, but oversimplified. Nah, Chris, I do agree to a certain extent, man. I do agree to a certain extent. Like, we've still got so far left to go with crypto that I do think that the gains could be absolutely massive in the crypto space as it unfolds and we see what it's truly capable of. Let's see. Get BBIG every 10 shares will get you 1 Tide share as a dividend. And when the record date comes up, oh yeah, Melamama. So I don't actually own any BBIG, but if you guys do, there you go. $20 is going to get you a share of Tide and could be something very good. I don't know exactly what BBIG's got going on, but I do know a lot of people are very interested in it. What was that Shiba Inu ad all about? Next Trucker. I didn't look too much into that, but I do think that it might just be some sort of another either e-commerce platform or another token that is unrelated to Shiba Inu coin that is trying to take advantage of the hype on Shiba Inu coin. So it has nothing to do with Shiba Inu coin, but I'm not exactly sure if it's an e-commerce platform or another token. Haven't been here in like months. Stopped in to hit the like button and hey Clay, Ortex, Chad, man, where you been, dude? Listen, Chad, you got to stay in here a little more often now. We need you. We need you. We got 82 people in here. We need you right now. And yeah, Ortex, still don't have Vortex data. So unfortunately, can't share the Ortex data with you. Danelle is back. What's going on, Danelle? Just listening. Perfect. We like it when Danelle listens, don't we? I haven't ate at McDonald's in years, so I don't think they would miss me anyways. Yeah, maybe. I didn't see anybody say anything about McDonald's, so I think I might have been out of that conversation. So many Shiba ideas on the rise. Country boy. That is what's going to take Shiba Inu coin to the next level. Everybody in the community that gets their ideas out there and runs with those ideas is what's going to be good. Cardano is 79 cents. Oh, dude. Yeah, I don't have that Cardano anymore that I had at $1.45. I took a loss on that. Maybe like $1.20 or something. I forget what it was when I sold that. But Cardano, 79 cents, man. It's ridiculous. You get Ethereum sitting here at 2,400. Bitcoin at 37,000. I mean, we're starting to get in these dangerous levels, guys. Bitcoin sitting at a level of support. Shiba Inu coin sitting at a level of support. It is going to be very interesting to see what happens if Bitcoin comes down here and tests this $30,000 level. So we got to keep our eyes on the crypto market. Everything is down right now. Look, if you want to buy and you can continue to dollar cost average down, not a bad idea. If you don't want to buy, dude, nothing wrong with sitting on the sidelines right now and seeing how this plays out. I think either way is going to be a decent approach to what's next because of the uncertainty. I can't say with any level of certainty what is going to be coming out. So hopefully, if you guys are getting ready to add, you're confident because it can go either way very quickly. Let's get back out here to the 1 minute on AMC. Watch that. 1 minute on Shiba Inu coin. Boom! We're back in action now. Okay, so McDonald's is breakfast of champions. Let's get it, man. The last time I had McDonald's was when I went to McDonald's on the way home from the zoo last summer. We're burning small amounts of Shiba every day. Should we not be slowly creeping upward in price, or have there been sell-offs negating it? Remy. Yeah, man. So, with the amount of Shiba Inu coin that is being burnt, we are nowhere near affecting the price of Shiba Inu coin. So, just to put it in perspective, man, let's see. What does $1 billion? $1 billion. What is this? 1,000, million, billion. So, just to put it in perspective, even if we burnt a billion coins a day, which we're not, we're burning maybe 30 million coins a day on average. Dude, the amount of Shiba Inu coin that are traded per day, roughly 45 trillion coins traded per day. And that's just using $1 billion average. $1 billion average, not billion coin average, $1 billion average on Shiba Inu coin being traded. And if we can burn 30 million a day, which is only $20, $600, you're looking at a drastic difference between burning $600 and trading $1 billion every single day in Shiba Inu coin. So if you're expecting price, like a steady rise in price because of a steady burn, we have a long way to go before the burns are going to have an effect on the overall price of Shiba Inu coin. I can say with 100% certainty what's coming next, what's coming out. Me! I'm secretly over the Chris, and that's why I bully him, but now it's time to live my truth. Let's get it, Devil's Advocate. Chris, how do you respond, man? How do you respond? Oh, did we bounce off 1490? Yes, we did, JB. JB called that one almost perfectly. He called 1480 to $15, dead average at 1490 there. And we are sitting at 1527 after hours right now. JB saw that one coming from a mile away. Do you think the war was over? Everything will... So, Gap, if there was like some sort of an announced resolution and it was obvious that things were over, I don't know if it's just going to pump that day or if things will, investors will wait for the dust to settle a little bit. But yes, I do think that once the fear of waking up in a nuclear Armageddon is gone, then we're going to have a lot more clarity on what's to come, and investors will rush back into the stock market, crypto market, riskier assets, and things like that. So yeah, I do think it's going to be a lot better when all of this war talk is over. Let's see. I don't know where I was now. Quit! How hard is it to make a living with crypto and... John, it all depends on a lot, man. So if you're going to be trading, you gotta realize that you're not always going to be profitable every single day. If you're going to be longer term investing, you just have to be certain that your budget is something that you can handle and you can be comfortable with. Because it all boils down to whether or not you're spending more than you bring in. If you're extremely frugal, man, it's not that hard, right? If you don't have a lot of expenses, it's not that difficult because you can roll through the swings. And if you got a bad day, bad week, bad couple months, I mean, it's not going to be that drastic because you don't have a ton of expenses. If you're living a lavish lifestyle, it's going to be much more difficult, man, because then it's going to put stress on you too. Since you don't have like a guaranteed income or guaranteed inflow, you have to make sure that you can adjust your outflow accordingly. So it all depends on who you are and what kind of a lifestyle you want to have, man. What's more important? Waking up and not having to go to a job, or waking up and making sure you pay your car payment, pay your rent, pay your credit card bills, pay down your whatever else you get going on, student loans, like everything else, it starts to pile up and it could start to get stressful, and nobody wants any stress. I've been called worse than a nerd. Dude, what's wrong with being called a nerd, man? Nerds are cool. Am I blocked your silence or something? Moji! No, you're still in here, Mo. If this pertains to anyone, I'm stock shot through the roof. Oh, IMPP stock through the roof. Is that Imperial Petroleum? Is that what that is? IMPP, is that what we had? Yeah. Yeah, dude. Been doing it. Once Russia invaded, look at the volume and just gains on Imperial Petroleum. I mean, they've been ripping from 49 cents to over $8. The stock 17x in the last 2 weeks. So you're definitely right on that one, man. Thanks, Cassie. I see you, Moji. I see Moji, too. Shiba Inu needs to get accepted, promoted by a celebrity. We need a little more attention to attract... Yeah, so Remy, I don't know if we necessarily need a celebrity to endorse Shiba Inu coin the same way that, you know, like Mark Cuban and Elon Musk really love to talk about Dogecoin. I don't know if it necessarily needs to be tied to these celebrities the same way we got Dogecoin tied to them. But we do need more people to get excited about Shiba. In 2021, everybody was excited about Shiba because it was making ridiculous gains. I mean, even if you go back to before it shot up 10x, if you're looking at September, the search volume was still relatively low in September, even knowing that Shiba Inu coin had ran up roughly 1,000,000%. Now, think about that. It's just a ridiculous gain in a year. But everybody started flowing in when it basically 10x'd in a week. And throughout October, when it was really running up, you know, people were flocking in from everywhere, jumping into Shiba Inu coin because it was on a roll. That's where the excitement came from. And I do think that when all of these when the price swings start to happen again, people will get excited again and they will flow back. I'm more of a fruit goal myself than a lashist. Lashist? Fruit goal? Frugal? Fruit goal? Yeah, man, I do like fruit as well. A lashist. What is a lashist? What did I say? Lashist. I don't know what the lashest part was. Yes, Imperial Petroleum. Yeah, spits out coffee clay. What are your what? A fruit goal? Fruit goal? I don't know. PB Pika Power. PP is Pika Power. Had a math teacher that always said, "What do you call a nerd in 10 years?" Boss. Yeah, dude. Then you know what people call bosses behind their backs, though, too. Being a boss isn't always good. You got to be a cool boss. Some nerds end up with the most beautiful woman you ever seen, making $300,000 a year. Love these nerds, man. Some nerds, like you, don't pay their... Yeah, some nerds do end up with beautiful women and making $300,000 a year, and then some nerds end up like Chris. Even better, Chris. Even better. Playing Crash Bandicoot and hanging out. Maybe Chris is paying his rent. Give a beta nerd power, and they will abuse it. See Zuckerberg, Gates, etc. Rust. Dude, I think you give anybody power, and they're human nature, they're likely to at least want to abuse it. Lavish. Oh, that's what it was. Yeah. Lavish. How did you say lavish? Lashist. Yeah, lashist. Lavish, lashist. Definitely not lavish over here, man. I'm still going to be wearing these same clothes like 10 years from now. Let's see. The coffee comment was about saying I'm PP. Oh, gotcha. About saying I'm PB. Peak power. Hello? Is anybody out there? Yes, Cassie. Can you hear me? Going to check out, let's see, I truly believe Wee Man can be the first midget to win Best Supporting Actor. Let's get it, Johnstontown. Just nod if you can hear me. Paul, I got you, man. I can hear you. Anything going on after hours right now? I do not see anything going on after hours in terms of big gains. We've got CEI sitting down, giving up some action afterwards. The Mullen Auto is sitting basically at break even, up 1%. Bed Bath & Beyond up 0.51%. Sundial down slightly after hours after a nice candle there. We've got AMC Entertainment flat as can be after hours. Farmy sitting flat after hours, 15.50. Man, bouncing up to 16.24 after hours. That wasn't a bad candle there. Let's get some more of those. Prague sitting at a 1.78% up after hours, basically just bouncing back and forth between a $1.14 and what is this here? $1.13. GameStop. Man, GameStop back down below $100, sitting at $99.35 at the close, $100 even. And the Nasdaq, man, ended up finishing down 3.62% on the day. That is a drastic daily decline for the Nasdaq. Hopefully we get a bounce, but guys, we might continue this downtrend tomorrow, another 300 points or so, bouncing off this 12.5 level. So hopefully we can stomach a little bit more red if that's the case. But man, oh man, do I really think we need to see some green here. It's getting pretty discouraging to a lot of people. Let's see. Click. How old are the current? Actually, Eric, I do not know how old the current shorts are. If anybody knows the average hold time on shorts, please let us know. When people think they are going to have to lose some of their coin based on regulation, they pull out, causing a dip, time to buy. Yeah, Charles, if that's the case, then yes. I mean, anytime there's uncertainty or fear, like you're mentioning there, it could be a decent time to buy if those fears don't come to be realities. There's a difference between a boss and a leader. Chris, I would agree 1,000% with that, man. Okay, it's nice to meet some Pink Floyd, one of my favorite bands of all time. I would like to prove to the world that winning $100 million in a lottery won't turn me into a bad person. Frank, I'd like to prove that to the world too. Somebody, give me a chance. Give me a chance, please. Clear's boxers, night shorts. Yeah, in the summertime I do wear shorts, but you are correct, Remy. It's true. Please come join us on the Let It Burn channel. We are trying to make a difference over there. Michael, yeah, man. Let It Burn channel seems to be doing very well. Is ATER earnings today? Mellow Mamas, this I do not know either. Let's see if we still got ATER. Yeah. Any news here? So possibly. No. So this here, I don't know if you guys can see this pop up. ATER is set to give its latest quarterly earnings report on Tuesday, March 8th. And here's what investors need to know before the announcement. So it's got its expected earnings per share loss of negative 20.26 or negative 26 cents. Sorry. And let's see. I don't know what time. So I don't know if it's supposed to be after the close or before the open, but they're telling me it's supposed to be tomorrow. And 5 days ago, they raised $27 million diluting the stock. Man, everybody's loving to do that right now, aren't they? Oh, boy. Hold on. I got to close this out. We'll open it back up in a second here. Hold on. Okay. No. Why is it not pulling up? Weeble. Okay. Boom! Back in action. We made it, guys. We made it. I agree, Chris. Putin is a boss and President Zelensky is a leader. Facts on that. Please come join us on all that. I don't play Crash Bandicoot a lot, just right now because I want to beat it, and for some reason, subconsciously procrastinating my life. Chris, nothing wrong with that, man. Listen, nothing wrong with putting off, I don't know, your focus a little bit and focusing on something fun and easy and to keep you motivated when, especially if you're focusing right now on the stock market and all the red that's out there, it could be very draining. Nice, Frank. My goal is to low 1 million something, and then the feds will make it redder. Is that a word? Yeah, dude. Red is definitely red, and then redder. Definitely got to be a word. I'd like to prove to the world that I'm winning 109 million will make me a bad person, create a horrible persona for myself, and then low key under the table pay Chris's rent for his whole life anonymously. That makes you even a better person. I meant to say 100, but the typo guys have spoken. Unfortunately, unless I make 109, I can't pay Chris's rent. Well, we hope to get 109 because Chris, your rent needs to be paid. Shiba Inu has been disappointing. I'm not in Shiba Inu actually, so I have no idea what that's been going on lately. I think every crypto has been disappointing lately. I don't know if anybody would disagree with that, but I think every crypto has been disappointing lately. Devil's Advocate, if that will help me stay rich post squeeze, then I won't mind. But also, a rent will be paid this week. Worked a lot of hours last week. Very nice, Chris. What in the fudge puppy is going on? Shredder! With the stock market or with me? Let's see. The market isn't going to return to normal until these talks about regulation and oil issues resolve. Yeah, Chris. All right, and it's not going to return to normal until everything's resolved in what, Eastern Europe as well. If I had 110 million, I'd be sending Clay $1,000 super chats on the daily, making him do some outland. And you know I'd do it, Outdoor Smile. You know I'd do it, man. JP, this is for you. We need to get actual dice. We need to get actual dice in here so I can roll some actual dice, not these fake news things. My best investment has been my home. Bought at $310,000. Neighbor just listed at $800,000. Moji, incredible, man, incredible. That's a very nice gain. Did you get it? You don't have to tell me when you got it. Did you get it any time like 2008, 2009, 2010, or when did you get it? Smile. If I had that cash, I'd only subscribe to Queenie's channel. Boom. Even better super chats. There you go, Paul. I like the way you think, man. Click. That wasn't me. That was Charles with the oil comment. Charles. Oh, did I say Chris? I don't even know if I said Chris or Charles. But if I said Chris, sorry, it was Charles Wright with the oil comment there. My bad. Great point, Paul. Yeah, Paul's got to keep you on your toes there, Outdoor Smile. He's got to keep you grounded and keep your focus where it needs to be. AMC falling back a little bit after hours, guys. Down 0.26% right now, sitting at $15.17. Shiba Inu coin, $22.53, down 4.21% on the day. GameStop up very, very slightly after hours, sitting at $99.70. Was at $100 after hours a minute ago. And Prague up to $1.13, up 1 cent after hours. We've got Farmy up 1.23%, sitting at $15.70, needing to break back above $16 per share, 16 cents per share, dollars, my gosh. Sundial sitting at 47.08 after hours right now. And then nothing really going on with CEI, Mullen, or Bed Bath & Beyond. Very quiet after hours at the moment. If you have Bitcoin, would you sell now and buy back at 34,000 or 30,000, knowing it's going down? Joseph, yes. If you know that it's going to go down, then it's going to drop 10 to potentially 20% from its current prices. The only things that may stop you from wanting to sell it are potential tax advantages from holding it. So if you know that you can get a 20% better price than where you're at right now, yeah, there's very little things that would benefit you from holding it. Now, if you were sitting on a long-term capital gain and you didn't want to go out there and sell, or you were right around the corner from a long-term capital gain, so you did want to hold it, but you honestly thought it was going to go down, I don't know if there's any places to like buy put options on Bitcoin at this point in time. You may have some more speculative exchanges out there where you can. Because I know that some exchanges allow you to trade crypto on margin and trade futures and things like that. So it is a possibility, but that would be another option. Like if you were sitting on AMC right now and you were 2 weeks or a month away from hitting a long-term capital gain, but you honestly thought that it was going to continue moving lower and you're convinced that it's going to go down lower. Well, you don't necessarily want to close out your AMC with only 2 weeks or a month left before you hit that long-term capital gain, because your tax break is going to be much better on the long term. So you might decide to go out there and buy a put option to protect yourself to the downside and play that price decline so that you can go in there and make money as it goes down too. That would be kind of my thought. But if I knew AMC was going to go down, or if I knew Bitcoin was going to go down, you have alternatives that you can still hold to take advantage of the long-term hold, but play to the downside. Click. I'm not quite sure how to say this, but yeah, man. Nobody knows how to say that word. Nobody knows how to say that word, devil's advocate. Nobody does. But just buy YouTube and own all of it. That's a good idea. Only what, $1 trillion company at this point? Peak Power. Somebody asked what PP stood for, so I told them Peak Power. Facts. It is facts, man. Facts on that. What does Peak Power say? Facts on that. Not what is Pika? What do you say when you say that? Clay, speaking of oil and stuff with Russia, we sanctioned them. They raised the price of oil. We could drill our own or buy it from somewhere else like Saudi Arabia. Seems like don't mess with the people who handle your food. Yeah. So Chris, we could, man, but for some reason we don't. Right? We don't want to. But here's the other thing you have to look at too. If we do sanction Russia and we cut off their oil supply, and we no longer buy any oil from them, Saudi Arabia, they're going to control the price. And if we move over to 100% reliance on Middle Eastern countries for oil production, dude, they've got that monopoly, and they can go out there, they can decide to be good-hearted people and continue making current prices, or they can see the world relies on us. We could do whatever we want to do, and nobody can, undercut our price. Nobody can do anything. We'll charge them tenfold for it, and they have to buy from us. So it is a risk if you go that direction. But yeah, man, I know we do have reserves here. I just don't know. I don't think I know enough about it to, say why we don't use them. Other people would probably know more about that than I do. D8, Horshire. Yeah, Horshire. Worcestershire? Worcestershire. Dude, you can say that so many ways. Dude, give me that W sauce. Give me that W right there. Hey, remember when you trash talked Audi? They just had a sale, $1 our fruit, $1 big container of raspberries. I spent $30. My fridge is totally full. Dude. I need to go there then. I need to go there. I don't know if we get the same stuff, but no, I was trash. What did I trash talk Aldi about, man? The fact that you have to pay for carts, or I forget what I said, but I shop there too, man. I shop there too. I have to check out Aldi. I've heard great deals there. Yeah, man. Yeah, they got some stuff. You're not gonna get anything name brand, but I mean, who cares? I don't care. We only take 5 per from them. We only take 5 per from them. 5 per. Shoulda. I know I missed something, man. Very sorry about that. Jim Gold, what's going on with AMC? It's getting old. Jim, it is getting old, man. Mr. Gold, AMC is getting old. I agree with you on that. AMC currently sitting down 0.33% after hours, sitting at 15.16 right now, down 0.33%, and everybody is just, man, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. It gets me annoyed sometimes, right? It gets me annoyed because if you go out there and you post a video that is not telling people that AMC is going to run to $1 million tomorrow, people tear you up for it. Then the only narrative that you can have that is well received in all of social media is that you will be a billionaire if you own 1 share of AMC, and you will be a billionaire tomorrow. Even if I tell you you're going to be a billionaire tomorrow, and tomorrow comes and you're not a billionaire, it's going to be better received than me telling you, please be careful with your investment and diversify your portfolio accordingly so that you can and are willing to hold AMC throughout the downturns so that the shorts don't have a chance to cover. AMC is getting very strange, man. AMC is getting very strange. And it's very evident. Lou is, and I don't even care if you guys disagree, Lou is the spokesperson for AMC right now. Twitter, YouTube, dude posts 7 videos a day, each one of them getting 30, 40,000 views. He is the guy that everybody is looking to when it comes to AMC. Yes, or does I get stuff that would cost twice as much as Hy-Vee? I don't know Hy-Vee. Sanctions on Russia will fail because Russia will turn to China and India, and the rest of the world will trade a weakening of the U.S. So, Sid, yeah, if Russia does turn to China, right, and China helps Russia, and that causes problems with the U.S. and China, then it's going to get a lot worse than it currently is, if that's the case, man. Okay, I get that. I get that. It seems like we're going to have to drill our own, because if we go to electric cars and the price of electricity would be stupid, even for the people that don't drive, just pay for their houses. Chris, there's going to be a very large demand for electricity and a higher demand. You guys know what that does. Higher demand, same supply, if they don't increase the supply, is going to drive the price up. You are absolutely right, man. And then you know what we're going to end up with? We're going to end up with people driving electric cars and spending the same amount of money that they were on gas-powered vehicles, and it's going to be crazy. But we got to try, right? We got to try. Who are you trying to impress with your high-class Gucci bananas, bro? Me? You? Trying to impress you? Can't be bad about that. Pika! It's okay. If anybody's got to be working out there right now, don't feel like you have to keep up with the chat if you're at work or anything. Just sit back, listen, enjoy it, have some fun with us. It's honestly a waiting game. It happens when it happens. A melee god, yes, I agree with you, and that's my mentality. That's my approach to it. Lose streams all along. I'm losing faith. Jim, you might be, man, but it's crazy how many people are just hyper-focused on every word that guy says. It's crazy to me. Thought Lou was done. Oh, JB, didn't we all, man? Didn't we all? March 3rd came and went, and 4 days, there's probably been at least 30 videos about synthetic shares and AMC and GameStop since March 3rd has come and gone. So you thought he was done, but nope. The squeeze is over, man. The squeeze is over, but it's not over. It's not over. Definitely the go-to character in the AMC saga. Bros, just do like I do. Buy high and sell low. You'll never go wrong. Yeah, dude, if you're looking for tax write-offs, that's probably one of the best ways to do it, Paul. Buying high, selling low. At least you're going to get those write-offs, man. What's the crack, bro? What's the crack, Connor? How you doing? How's things? Things are going good, Connor. Things are going good. How are things for you, man? How are things for you over there? Pretty late over there now, isn't it? It's like explaining to someone who is broke how to become wealthy, but don't want to listen to all the work it would take. Yo, Carl, I think you might have said something else that I may have missed, but you are exactly right, dude. You're exactly right. People only want to hear good, not bad. There you go. You are 100% right. You know, everybody wants to wake up a millionaire, but, dude, if you don't develop certain habits, you're going to get right back into the same place that you're in right now, even if you did have $1 million. You know, you'll go out there, you could buy a nice house, a nice car, not worry about the payments, and, I'm going to buy it outright. You know, I'm going to buy this $500,000 house. I'm going to buy this $50,000 car. I'm going to buy my wife a $50,000 car. I'm going to buy my kids $20,000 cars. I'm going to go out there, and I'm going to, go on vacation a couple times. Well, dude, what happens in 3 years when all of a sudden you're paying $10,000 a year in property taxes? You've got $2,000 a year in home insurance. You've got another $1,000 a year in car. Well, no, it'd probably be more than $1,000. Yeah, it'd be more than $1,000 a year in car insurance. You got another $2,000-$3,000 a year in car insurance. You got all these things to pay for, and you didn't manage your money properly. It would come to bite a lot of people who want to get rich quick and don't want to learn along the way. It's really fun when you are working. And like 10 tabs open and get distracted by the clip, bro, and forget what you're doing. That is fun, Cassie. Yes, it is. What if, hear me out, the government gives tax breaks to big businesses like, say, Walmart to cover the roof of all their stores with solar panels to raise our clean energy sources? Jim, gotcha. Yeah, outdoor smile. I don't think that would necessarily be a bad idea. I think people would go ballistic if, the government gave any sort of another break to big businesses or anything. But that's the tough part about, me trying to speak on something like that. I don't know enough about the implications that it would have. Let's see. Click. I messaged Queenie and told her that she should collaborate with you. Burn Shiba. She hasn't replied yet. Danelle, I love it. Let's see what she says if she does reply. Honestly, so those waiting for AMC to pop and have money to spare should look into using options, 1348 crossover strategy. It's a long play, and we will wait as long as it takes to make some money. Yeah, Melee God. So, I know that Short the VIX and TMI and Review Dork heavily promote the 1348 crossover. And I do think, and I will say this, okay? I do think that moving average crossovers are good in certain situations. I'm going to say that, and I'll show you which ones. I think that if you are going to be trading AMC, options are the way to go. Please do so accordingly, because options are much higher leverage than shares, and you have that added risk of expiration. So please do so accordingly. Don't just jump into it blind. But moving averages work much better if you are focused on a trending stock. If you're looking at a stock that is just moving sideways, moving averages are going to be very difficult to play. So this is a daily chart, and I know that they don't do too much with a daily chart. I honestly think they might use 5 or 10 minute candles to trade their moving averages. But if you look at a day like today, today is a great day to trade moving averages because you had an 8% decline. If you would have gotten in here, you would have sold a put, or you would have bought a put, on AMC. I believe on this candle right here. You got the crossover right here and follow through right here. So you're selling AMC at $16.25, and you didn't even buy it back. You can close out at the end of the day if you want, so you don't have to risk a swing trade. But, you're going all the way down here at the end of the day to $14.90. So you made a good trade on this day. Now, if you're coming over to even a day like this, still a decent trade. You're getting in here, selling your put at $17.50 because it did nothing but trend down all day long. Let's say, a day like today, or a day like, last Thursday, could be pretty difficult, right? Kind of sideways action on your moving average trade. You jump in here, you sell your put at 18.02, and then you got your crossover here back up to the upside, 18.27. You lost on this one. Maybe you decided to play to the upside, and you buy in at 18.27, and you don't get your crossover till here at 18.07. So both of these trades you lost on the day. Moving averages work much better if the stock is trending in a certain direction. If it's moving sideways or bouncing back and forth, if there's a lot of volatility, then moving averages, dude, they're going to catch you left and right, and you're going to get hit pretty hard just on both sides of the trade. So keep that in mind if you guys are trading moving averages, especially if you're trading moving averages with options because they're leveraged. Let's see. Jim, remember, people are stupid, and a person is smart. Yes. Peak of power. Whoa. Burning coal to make electricity. Makes sense. Always makes sense, right? Always makes sense. Can a cryptocurrency reverse split? Remy, so technically yes, but I believe that they would need to offer a new contract, right? So you wouldn't still be holding the same exact coin. You would be moving over to like a new smart contract or a new level 2 blockchain, something like that. Whatever, hear me out. The government just saw that. Way down here now. Way down here. Sorry, I must have missed a lot of chats. Bought more AMC today. Pancakes, very nice. And glad to have you in here, Pancakes. Freddie, 3-month member chat. Thank you very much for the member chat. Hello, bro peeps. What's going on, Freddie? Glad to have you in here. Smile. There's a big fancy new Escalade in front of me with a license plate Queenie. I think I'm behind your girl. Want me to read and rear enter to get in your contact info. Do it. Devil's advocate, please. Please do it. I already got her contact info. DM her, man. I can probably DM her right now. Smash her like button. Smash her like a like button. do it, man. Devil's advocate. Listen to Outdoor Smile. He's got you on that. Have a great night, fam. JB, you too. JB, thank you very much for hanging out with us, man, and being in here. We only need 2 more people in here. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your brother, tell your sister to get in here. We almost got 100 people. We haven't hit 100 people in this live stream in a long time. It's literally, I think it's been since Russia invaded the Ukraine that we've had 100 people in here. Roger that. Smile. Boom. Done. Devil's advocate. Hit the rear ender right now. Congrats, Paul, on 2 months. 2 months for Paul or 3 months for Paul? I don't even know. Paul, right? Congrats, bro. Did I miss Paul's thing? Oh, man. I missed Paul's chat. Sorry about that. Hi, bros. It seems like years. Thank you, Clay. Paul, thank you very much for the member chat. Appreciate you as well, man. 2 months for Paul, 3 months for Freddie. Thank you guys very much for having that green name, and I love those member chats, man. Sorry, I don't know what I was talking about, that I missed a couple of those chats. So if you had something in there that I missed, please get that back. Congrats, Freddie, on 3 months. Yes, and, I say that we got 98 people in here, and, tell your mom, tell your brother, tell your sister. Dude, 16 of you guys leave. Thank you. If your license plate said like a clay bro, I'd smash it. Moji, appreciate that, man. Thank you. If you guys see a silver Kia Forte driving around Ohio, you could smash it. Might be me. Chances are. I don't know actually what the chances are. I don't know how many people have silver Kia Fortes. Let's see what we got. Thank you. You are so sweet. Pika is very sweet. Come on now, guys. Roger that. Smile. Got you. Welcome, Justin. Yeah. All right, where we at here? Off to eat dinner. Have a great rest of the day, everyone. Kalani, enjoy your dinner, man, and thank you very much for hanging out with us. Been going to AMC movies every week to support AMC, but still holding here. Pancakes, yes, still holding here as well. And I know I see Pancakes posts on Instagram. Pancakes is going to AMC, I swear, every single day. Wasn't here, and I'm uninsured, so this will be my last stream for a while. Someone send bail money. Devil's Advocate, we got you, man. We got you. We'll get you out tonight. That was good. I've had 2 Monster Energy drinks so I can jog over if need be. Outdoor Smile. Get it, man. 2's nothing. Go get another 2 more on the way over. Everyone have a great evening. You too, Danelle. Have a great eats. Have great eats, Kalani. Enjoy your dinner, in other words. Where in Ohio? Yes, Joseph. Yes. Where in Ohio? Yes. All of a sudden I tell you, and then you guys show up at my front door. Freddie! Thank you for the cat super sticker. Freddie, this is for you, man. Thank you very much, Freddie, for the super sticker. By far one of the most embarrassing ones, but absolutely love that cat super sticker. Oh my gosh. That's enough meowing for today. Imagine you get T-boned and it's me, and I don't stop. I scream, "Got him!" and I drive off laughing. Dude, I wouldn't put it past some of these people on the internet, man. I wouldn't put it past them to do something very similar to that, Devil's Advocate. Where we send bail? Yo, Carl. Claybro WhatsApp. Send bail money to the Claybro WhatsApp guy, and I'll make sure that he gets out. Make sure that he gets out for sure. Wouldn't that be hilarious if I did create like a Claybro WhatsApp scam and like try to scam people on my own channel, but it was so obvious that people just they never thought it would be me to go out there and send scam WhatsApp messages to everybody on my own channel, but meanwhile that was me doing it. It's not me. It's not me doing it. I'm saying, wouldn't that be funny if you guys missed that first part of it? Wouldn't that be funny if I was trying to scam people on here, but made it so obvious that there's no way it could actually be me? I think that would be actually pretty funny. Clint, did you go to school with Logan Paul? Remy, no, I did not go. Listen, I'll tell you this, okay? I didn't. No, I'm not going to tell you this because you guys might figure that out. Never mind. Just another fun way to support my investment. Love going to the movies. Pancakes. I love the movies as well. Paul, man, thank you very much for the super chat, Paul. Thank you, bros. I'm gonna go live 5 p.m. Eastern, 5:15 Eastern time. I'll teach you how to make guaranteed money, cutting lawns, and more. Stop by, say hi, Paul. Lawns on YouTube. Thank you, Clay, for the shout out. Listen, dude, there is a difference in trying to make, speculative income and active income. Dude, if Paul can teach you guys how to start a lawn service up or make some quick money on the side doing something like that, Paul, man, A lot of people could really benefit from that. So I do think that would be pretty cool if you get a lot of people in there that are looking to start up a side hustle, a side business, or something now that it's springtime. And people are going to need lawns to get cut and things like that, landscaping to be done. So, Paul, man, very good idea. If you guys want to go check out Paul's live stream in about 20 minutes, he's going to be starting there. Paul Wright Lawns is the YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out and see what he's got to say. You guys can make some extra money, pour it back into the stock market, or do whatever you want with it. Nice, Mo. All I got to do is survive. Oh, we all got to do. All of Ohio looks like the Chris Carly dog show, so just find the house in the state, and that's Clay. There's only one house in Ohio. If you can find, Ohio's a big state, so if you can find the one house, just knock on the door, man. Knock on the door. Like, I'll pour a glass of lemonade or something. You can talk for a minute, and then you just leave. Like, you can't spend the night, okay? You're not going to spend the night, but like, I'll pour a glass of lemonade, maybe some iced tea, something, whatever you want. We'll go sit out on the back patio for a minute, and then you got to leave, though, because I got to do videos, I got to do live streams, I got to do all that, so you can't stay all afternoon. Bruh, stop that bark, please. The man was a cat, dude. It was a meow, not a bark. You mixing up sounds, man? Man, that was definitely a meow. Clay, bro, days on the grind. Come on, tell us. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Tell you what. No, I can't tell you. Can't tell you. Yeah, what if, huh? What if? What if? Thank you, Freddie and Clay. Danelle, absolutely. Dude, so busy. I miss my peeps. Freddie, you got to keep active in here, man. We miss you, too. That was funny, and you just leave. Dang it. Now I know I missed something else. I know I missed something. Guaranteed you went to school with MGK. No, I didn't go to school with anybody, man. Remy, I didn't go to school with anybody. MGK. I'm not gonna tell you people that I went to school with, man. You guys don't need to know, because then you probably will. How about some of the Ohio pancakes? Sid, I'll make you some protein pancakes that are really good, dude. If you guys want some pancakes, yeah, I'll make you some pancakes when you come over. But I'm telling you, you can't stay that long because you got to stay busy over here. I said bark instead, bro. Oh, gotcha. Demand. If you send a dog, yeah, I'll bark. But I'm not going to bark instead of meowing. Better take like the FedEx commercial guy. Who's the FedEx commercial guy? I don't know if I've seen the FedEx commercial guy. Better talk like the FedEx commercial guy. Moji, I don't know who the FedEx commercial guy is. Are you close to a Liberty Ford? How many Liberty Fords are there in Ohio, man? Gallup. Now that's what I like to hear. God, isn't it nice how just one single word can remind you of something you like? Incredible. Devil's Advocate, thank you for bringing the spirits back up today. Very red day, but you really know how to end the live stream on a positive note. Hey, it's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to dance. Yeah, 12. What are you doing, man? You can never leave me. Don't ever leave me. I went to school with a Taylor Lautner. Vengeance. That is awesome, man. Clay, you know who? Nope, no idea who MGK is. Nope, no idea. I actually don't know. I mean, I might know if you tell me, but MGK, I just don't know. I'm not getting the initials right now. Click AMC hit 15, and I ain't sweating. We are all good. This could be the last dip before the big rip. Frodo, I hope, man. This could be the last dip. We may have, I mean, if it follows the NASDAQ, we may have one more dip if we do find support now at this 12.5 level. So hopefully, we've got a kind of like a shorter term trend line down here, and that's what we're looking at, connecting these lows, this low, and this low. Hopefully this is the support and we don't see 12.5, but we get a bounce tomorrow. So we're gonna have to see how that plays out. But yeah, if you're connecting these lows here, it looks like this could be, gosh, I don't know why it always moves the whole line. It's got to stop doing that. These could be where we're at here, connecting these lows right here. If that's the case, great. We might be sitting at support and might have a bounce tomorrow. If not, we might have one more decent decline till we reach this level of support here. Either way, I'm hoping we're bottoming out on the overall market and then AMC follows suit, especially knowing we bounced off this very, very strong support level right here and bounce higher from there on. I'm a degenerate. No. Well, hey, man, as long as you know what you are, you're doing good then, KO Bets. Paul, thank you very much for the super chat. Going to do my hair and makeup. See everybody in a few minutes. Thank you, Clay. Paul, right. Yes, absolutely, man. Paul's going live in 15 minutes, guys. Make sure, listen, just swing by his live stream. Check it out for a minute. Show him some support. Have some fun with him. Tell him what's up. And look, if you do want to learn about making some money, starting a lawn care service or landscaping business, I mean, I'm sure he's got some good advice there. So check out Paul in 15 minutes, guys. Paul Wright Lawns is the YouTube channel. I have a wait list and I have a pump company lined up. Freddie, for NFTs, you're going to be releasing some NFTs. Was sweeping my catnip, I spilled everywhere and walked back to Devil Advocate saying, I didn't even see him say that. Darn it, man. Let's see. I might ask Clay, bro, if he wants to help with the giveaway. Freddie, yeah, if you got something going on, man, that'd be pretty cool. Is that what you got? Is an NFT project? Hello, Pancakes. How's it going? Hopefully it's going good. Is this the right channel? Charts. Ha. Patrick, what? Is this the right channel? Charts? We got charts here, yeah? Crypto Rocketeer. Gosh, man, it's already 5 o'clock. I know when Crypto Rocketeer's dabbing on him, he's like, all right, dude, it's time to go. It's time to go. How do I live in Ohio? I like living in Ohio, actually. I don't mind living in Ohio at all. 5 o'clock, guys. Let's get the names in the chat right now. Let's get these shout-outs going. You guys are going to have videos at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 2 hours and 3 hours. And make sure to check those videos out. Like them, share them. I don't know. There's clearly a lot of those people watching stock market videos right now. So do everything you guys can to help support the channel. Appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys for the super chats today. Thank you, Justin, for grabbing that green name today. Appreciate that if you're still in here, man. And tomorrow, you better come back tomorrow because Peak is going to be crowning somebody. So let's get these shout outs going, and we will be back with videos tonight, guys. And see you tomorrow in the live stream. Patrick, Frodo, Yo Carl, Cassie, Pancakes, Fred, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on like always. Corcomet, see you later. Remy, Freddie, Pancakes, Moji, Mellow Mamas, enjoy your evening. Shredda, John Maxwell, Pancakes, Ronald, Freddie, Marcus, Freddie, Shredda, Shreddy, Fredda, Shreddy, Freddie, Shredda. Frodo, see you later, man. Sid, later, Clay, bro. Later, Sid. Enjoy your evening. I don't know if SD's listening right now, but usually says bye. Nick F, see you later if you're out there. Lauren, if you're listening right now, I hope you enjoy your night. Enjoy it. I don't know, get some good sleep. It's probably already late over there. You're probably sleeping already. Paul, thank you, man. Thank you, seriously, for the super chats, being in here, and supporting the channel in every way that you do. Pancakes, Danelle, enjoy your evening as well. All right, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, I'll see you, bro. See you later, 12. Daniel, Jack, peace out to you as well. All right, guys. Now, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.